You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Of the team that really fights for the well-being of Ugandans. This is a good initiative. Era ntera nnyo mukama wange ow'ekitiibwa Katikkiro, ntera nnyo okugamba abavubuka bange nti they abstain. Bw'oba tebasobola ku abstaininga bakozese obupiira bukalimpitawa okulaba nti nno tutaasibwa okufuna obulwadde buno ku myaka emito ng'abazzukulu b'eggwanga lino. Era tukwebaza okubeera nti ekintu kino ekyamukenenya okubulwanyisa okufuna solution okitaddemu nnyo oba okisimbyeko nnyo essira. Kuba bagamba ekintu w'okiddiŋŋana ng'okikola ne passion, solution emala n'efunika. Nebaza nnyo bapartners bambi abayambye Obuganda, abapataninze n'Obuganda okulaba nti nno tulwanyisa siriimu. Naffe we twawulira ne tusalawo nga Office of the National Chairman of NRM ekulembera His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Buhabura, jjajja w'abazzukulu, ne tumutegeeza era n'atugamba nti abazzukulu balina okugenda beetabe emisinde egyo. Era ow'ekitiibwa Mukama wange Katikkiro, last week, in fact this week, I had an engagement with HE in Rachitula, and I informed him, His Excellency and Mama that we have the Kabaka's run. I told him the concept, and he told me it's okay, I'll give you a call, and the grandchildren of this nation have to take part. Wano wenzijidde taata nga mpeereddwa ejjamba ery'okugula emijoozi gya bukadde 5 okulaba nti abazzukulu b'eggwanga lino beetaba mu kkoozi eno erwanyisa mukenenya. Simanyi
ensuring that their services they have to offer are taken up. So the concern for any company is the market. When the market responds positively to your product, you are likely to make strides, you are likely to make profits. Or if your organization like the Red Cross isn't in this business for money, your services get appreciated more when you penetrate a market. So a company executive ought to identify and penetrate the market where his or her products can be sold or appreciated. Fortunately, for those companies and organizations that partner with the Kingdom of Uganda, there is a ready market for your goods or for your services. The Kingdom of Buganda is a very visible brand, probably the most visible brand in Uganda and in East Africa. Demographically, the consumers are concentrated within the borders of the Kingdom of Buganda. The majority of the consumers of goods and services. And I'm sure the representatives of the Bank of Uganda can attest to that. So he gave me a thumbs up. So I'm right. We are the bridge to the market. The Kingdom of Buganda is the bridge to the market. So I urge different companies and organizations to come and work with us. And we make your company or organization grow. Nsanyuse nnyo okulaba bannabyabufuzi